Let's explore the concept of justice a bit further. Organizational justice is concerned with how people perceive they are being treated by decision makers at work. There are 3 different types of organizational justice that we might want to measure in order to better understand where people stand. Distributive justice is concerned with the fairness of outcomes, such as pay and the recognition that people receive. Procedural justice looks at how those outcomes are allocated. How are those decisions made? What information is used? Who makes the decision? Is there an appeals process in place? When people have a direct influence over how decisions are made, they have a sense of control, security, and empowerment. It also helps when there are decision-making rules that are consistently followed. Interactional justice is more focused on the interactions between employees and organizational stakeholders. There are 2 types of interactional justice: informational and interpersonal. Informational justice is focused on whether people feel like they are receiving a fair amount of information. Interpersonal justice reflects whether people feel they are being treated with respect and dignity in the workplace. When people feel they are being treated fairly, they tend to respond in more positive ways. Higher levels of performance, higher levels of organizational citizenship behaviors, and lower levels of counterproductive work behaviors. One of the reasons why perceptions of fairness have such a positive effect on job-related outcomes is because they make people feel like the organization cares about them.